Hello! In this video we are going to be talking about how to replace your rollers in an Andersen sliding door. These rollers are not screwed in place, so once you get the door out of the frame, all you have to do is take 2 screwdrivers, grip the roller, and maneuver it out of the mortise. Our replacement rollers fit in the mortise and are easy to install. Insert a screw into each of the screw holes on the bottom. These rollers are adjustable so you can make your door fit perfectly in the frame. Turn the adjustment screw in the face of the door clockwise, which raises the door in the frame. Turning the adjustment screw counterclockwise lowers the door in the frame by raising the rollers up into their housing. To prepare the door for reinstallation, turn the screwdriver counterclockwise to raise the rollers as high as you can. Once you have the door back in the door frame, lower the rollers by turning the adjustment screw clockwise until the door is secure in its frame and glides smoothly. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below, or you can contact us at allaboutdoors.com.